Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you so much for being with me today. Today, I want to talk about a regulation change that's going to go into effect here in the month of June of 2020. That change will affect asylum seekers who want to apply for a work permit while they're seeking asylum. In the past, when people were fleeing for their lives from violence or persecution in their home country, they came to the United States, they filed for protection under the asylum laws of the United States, requesting asylum so that they can stay here in peace. In the past, if an application was waiting 180 days, we could apply and receive a work permit, all right, that was valid throughout and renewable throughout the rest of their asylum process. Regulations that are changing, though, are going to change that. And they're going to change it in two huge ways and in a few others as well, all right? The two huge ways that it's going to change is, one, it's going to push that application timing back until 365 days after the day you apply for asylum, all right? But the biggest is that if you entered the United States without a visa, if you entered the United States without going to a port of entry and without being inspected and admitted into the United States, then you will not be eligible for a work permit. All right? Which is a huge number of people who have applied for asylum. And so I want you to understand that that might affect you. And it might affect your ability to seek a work permit during your asylum case. And you're going to want to really talk it over with an immigration lawyer. You're going to want to really understand these regulations and how they might affect you, because you will want to work, and you're going to want to work. I wish you could work after 6 months, but now it's going to be after a year after filing, even if you're even eligible. The other thing that they're making that they're creating as a bar to getting a work permit are, for example, DUIs, lots of other convictions, all right? So criminal issues can cause a problem for your ability to get a work permit, and several other issues as well. If you're thinking of filing for asylum in the current administration, don't do it alone, all right? Asylum is risky. Asylum is no joke, all right? And this administration especially is denying asylum cases like no other administration that I've ever seen. And it's like, okay, I hate it, all right? And you got to go in knowing what you're up against. And you got to go in with a professional on your side, on your team, so that they can help you put your case together in the strongest light possible, so that you can get the maximum chances possible of actually getting the thing approved. And yes, just because there's all of this, all these changes happening to make asylum more and more difficult all the time, it doesn't mean you can't win. It just means it's got to be done very, very well right from the beginning, and it's got to be a strong case, right? So thank you for watching this. If you have questions about asylum or about these regulations or about how they affect you, please give us a call. We'll put our number here below this video. Thank you for watching. Also, if this information was useful, please give us a thumbs up here on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel. Tell the internet that this was actually useful. And thank you so much for being with me. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Have a great rest of your day and good luck out there. Bye-bye.